Now earlier we have done question number 1, part 1, part 2, 3 and 4 is also done by you, as well as the fifth part. I hope you would have done all these parts in your copy. Now I am going to start question number 2. So make sure that question number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, these are followed by the method of linear equations. And yesterday also, earlier in the video also, I told you that while finding the solution of the different equations, we will be finding out the values of the given variables x and y. So question number 2, I will start with you in this exercise. Find the solution sets, two solutions for the equation 2x plus y is equal to 3. Now let's look at the solution of this given linear equation. So while you have to start this in your copy today, children, a very important point. Firstly, you write the question, find the solution set of the following equation. You have to write this point related to the solution of the linear equation. That linear equation represents a straight line and hence it may have many solutions. Many solution here means infinite solutions that can be obtained for a value of variable x and y. But for the time being, you have to see the given question. It is question number 2, and I have found 3 solutions to it in this question, but you can find more also as you will get the value of variable x. Now for the solution of this question 2x plus y is equal to 3, let's take the value of variable x, and then in terms of variable x we will find out the value of variable y. So as we said that linear equation represents a straight line. So draw a straight line consisting of all the numbers starting from 0, all the positive whole numbers, on the other side the negative whole numbers. I have drawn it till 7, here plus 7 and minus 7. So let's say if x is equal to 0, then 2x plus y is equal to 3. Putting the value of variable x, here when we multiply 2 with 0 you will get 0. So the value of y is 3. So solution set is 0, 3. Then if x is equal to 1, then 2x, here I have selected 1. So 2x plus y is equal to 3. When you multiply 2 with 1, you will get 2 plus y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to value of variable y is equal to 1. So solution set comes out to be 1, 1. Here it is very important, children, that you should write the value of variable x first and then y. These you have already done in the other equations as well, when you were writing the definition of simultaneous linear equation. Then if we take the value of variable x is equal to 2, then 2x plus y, we put the value. So 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4, plus y is equal to 3. So minus 4 on both the sides, so value of y is equal to minus 1. So solution set is 2, minus 1. So this is how you can do part 1, question number 2. Then question number 3 is find 3 solution sets for the equations x plus y is equal to 2. So again draw a number line. Here I have drawn it till 6, and you can represent it in this way. Then if we take the value of variable x is equal to 0, then putting the value of the variable x here, x plus y is equal to 2. So 0 plus y is equal to 2. Therefore value of y is 2. Solution set comes out to be 0, 2. Next, if x is equal to 1, then putting the value x plus y is equal to 2. 1 plus y is equal to 2. So when we minus 1 on both the side, y is equal to value of y comes out to be 1. Therefore solution set is 1, 1. Now if x is equal to 2, then putting the value in the given equation, x plus y is equal to 2. So 2 plus y is equal to 2. So minus 2 on both the sides. So y comes out to be 0. So solution set is 2, 0. Now after watching these two questions, understand the method properly and do these questions in the copy. And with the help of this method, you can easily solve question number 4, 5 and 6 in your copies. Thank you.